In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make YouTube to suggest your video to more people at any time. That is, even your old videos that you think that are not getting views any longer. I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube to keep on suggesting your videos to more people, despite the fact that it's an old video on your channel. And also, with this method, you will also be able to make your YouTube to be well organized. Whosoever that stumbled on your YouTube channel will see that your YouTube is well organized. Now, what you're going to do for me is to go to your Chrome browser and access your YouTube studio. Search youtube.studio.com. When you search youtube.studio.com, you can see this aspect where you have this sign. Let me zoom. When you have this sign, you tap on it. That's where you have the customization. When you tap on it, just the same way you're saying here, you come to this place where you have your home tag. When you get to your home tag, make sure that this place is turned on. It should be turned off on at your end. Make sure it's turned on. And also this place where you have add section. In this place where you have add section, when you tap on it, you see all these sections you are seeing here are here. So you must make sure that you pick your own sections step by step. You can see in this place where I have my channel trailer. This is my channel trailer. This is where I selected it from. My channel trailer is that particular video that has the highest views on my channel. That's my channel trailer. And here I also have a lot and different sections that I added to my video, so you can add as much as possible. Then also, if you click here where you have more, make sure that these three icons are turned on, and also this place all content recommended should also be on. So when you do that, it means that you are making YouTube to do what? To suggest your videos. Even your old videos will be suggested. If you put it on recent content only, for those that have videos on the channel for more than 12 months, only the channel within 12 months will be only the videos within 12 months will be suggested. All those your old videos, you won't get views on them any longer. Now, when you have done that, make sure you always click on publish. If you click on publish, then you have saved it. If you do not click on publish, then you have not done anything. Now, also, I'm going to show you the practical aspect of how it shows on your YouTube app. So I'm going to take you to my YouTube app. But before we go there, you click on settings. For you to get your videos suggested, click on settings, come to channel. Make sure that this aspect you see here, make sure that you put in keywords that are related to your channel, that are related to the videos that you'll be uploading. So I made use of ChatGPT to get these keywords. If you have not watched one of my videos, if you have watched one of my videos on how to set up a channel, I'm going to tag it. So if I watch the video, you'll see how I set up my channel this way. Then you also come to advanced settings. On this advanced settings, you can see here that I select my channel to know it's not set for kids. If your channel is for kids, you put it for kids. And also you can see here where you have auto dubbing. Always make sure that you turn on auto dubbing, but not the manual review auto dubs. Do not check the manual review. Now you see this place where you have clips. I have 2 or 3 channels. You see the videos on this particular channel. I can go to my other channel and clip a video from this particular channel. I'm going to clip a video from this particular channel, which means that I am suggesting or I am sharing a video from this particular channel on another channel. That is, by myself, I'm using my hand to push those videos to more people. So the people that watch the videos on my other channel can actually come back to my channel to watch the full video. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. All right, now also make sure that this feature eligibility is always enabled. Make sure it is enabled, the 3 of them. Then now let me show you the practical of how it shows or how it comes out on your YouTube app. Don't forget that we deal with practical here. All right, this is my channel. Tap on your videos, then you come to your home. This is your home, or this is my home rather. And you see how well organized my YouTube home is. So whosoever that stumbled on my YouTube home, this is how it's going to be showing. For some people who has not done what I just showed you on their YouTube channel, this is how it's going to be showing. It's just going to be showing their videos just like this. You can see I even have a lot of videos that are put on private here. So I started uploading 5 months ago, and I upload just little videos, not up to 10 or so. The highest video I have uploaded, the highest video that got highest views, the video that got highest views had 438 views, and that is what I use as my trailer. I also have so many other videos of 47 views, 200 and something views, 70 something views, 100 and something views. So that is how you keep on getting views. I only use this channel to test some things on YouTube. I don't upload videos here often. You can see I only have about 10 videos on this particular channel just within 5 months. If I was to be very serious, I would have gotten. In fact, it's possible I would have even gotten monetized by now, but I only use this channel to test a lot of things on YouTube. If you have gained anything from this YouTube channel, please make sure you share, you like, you comment, and tell me what next you want me to show you in my comment section. Thank you. Keep building, keep winning. Bye bye.